Hey guys, what's up? Joshua here with Simple Keys. Welcome back to another video. In this lesson, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to show you guys a quick movement that I learned some time back, and I thought I'd share this with you. This is something that you can use for talk music if you just get behind the keys. And if you want to do something that sounds pretty nice and pretty smooth, this is something that you can add to your repertoire. So it's a very simple movement. I'm going to walk you through it. We're going to be using notes from different keys. It's going to be more of a chromatic movement. So if you don't know how to play all 12 keys, I do have a guide that you can download over at the site. It's going to walk you through all the 12 major and minor keys. And if you also want to learn how I'm able to pick up a lot of these movements within a few minutes or songs, you can also check out the program I have over at the site called Master the Piano. It's going to walk you through the entire musical learning process from scratch. We go over the fundamentals, chords, progressions, and how to break down songs. And if you also want to learn more songs, more movements, I highly recommend joining the Simple Keys Lab. It's going to be the best place to take your playing to the next level. And it's really going to expand your approach to learning how to play music by ear. So go ahead and check that out. So let's go ahead and play this real quick. Shouldn't take too long to break down. I'm going to play, then I'm going to break it down for you. So let's get right into it. So it's going to sound like this. Alright, so this is a very simple movement that you can use just to like mess around if you're behind the keys. You can use it for talk music. So we're in the key of C major for this one. So C's are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that brings us back to the top. Alright, so I'll play one more time. Alright, now there are a lot of notes that are not in the key of C for this, but you can tell that we are resolving back to C. So this is mostly from a gospel background, so all this kind of stuff you probably hear in that genre or that space, or maybe jazz or soul, but most of the time you find it more in a gospel setting. So let's go ahead and break this down. So the notes we're going to need for this, you're going to be moving almost chromatically going to the left, and on the right side you're going to be playing a simple melody. So left hand is going to be playing this, and we end on C. So everything is just chromatic from the B. Then the right hand is going to be playing this melody line. So I'll play that one more time. Okay, now that was a basic way of playing it. That's without the grace notes. If I play it with the grace notes, it's going to sound like this. To the basic way. The second way with the grace note. Okay, so I would recommend just slowing down, making sure you get each section down. It's very simple. Left hand is probably doing the easiest part. Right hand is the one that you have to kind of get used to playing those grace notes on those movements. So alright, and then when you bring both hands together, it's going to sound like this. Alright, let's try it one more time. Now I switched something up here. So in my left hand I play like a D major chord over F sharp, but I play the F sharp and the A over D, and then this is like an F minor chord, so F, G sharp, C, then resolve to C major. So one more time. So it's a very sweet movement, and you can mess around with it before you start playing anything. If you get behind the keys, you can just go. Let's do it in a different key. We're gonna move to G major for this so you can see it. Exact same idea, but you can move it to a different key. So all right, same idea. My right hand is going to be playing. All right, now that you have the basic foundation in C, you can now transpose everything or move everything up into the key of G major. So so that's a movement for today. So if you like this, go ahead and leave your feedback. Let me know if you found this helpful. You should be able to mess around with this idea in all 12 keys. So I played it for you in C and in G. Let's see if you can figure out the other keys as well. But let me know if you found this helpful. Leave your feedback in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care. Peace.